Good morning dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. So today we are just going to start with our next chapter of grammar, that is our 7th chapter, Adjectives. So this is our next chapter, Adjectives. So before we start the chapter, we should know what is adjective, what is an adjective. So adjectives are the words that modify or give more information about noun or pronoun. They tell about the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun that describes. So this is the definition of adjective. So there are mainly 4 features of adjective. So we will discuss all these features one by one. So the first feature of adjective is adjective can occur before nouns. So this is the first feature of adjective, that adjectives can occur before nouns. So let's understand it with the help of an example. So the example is, she is a smart lady. She is a smart lady. So in this sentence we can see the noun is lady. Okay. So how is the lady? Smart. So here smart is telling us the quality of the lady. It is telling us more about the noun. It is telling us the quality of the lady. And here in this sentence, the word smart, the adjective smart, it comes just before the noun lady. Okay. Now we can take one more example here. He is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. So in this also we can see that the noun is boy. So this is our noun. So how is the boy? Intelligent. Okay. How is the boy? Intelligent. So here intelligent tells us the quality of the boy, or we can say that intelligent, the word intelligent, it describes the noun boy. So here intelligent is our adjective, and here it comes just before the noun boy. So this is our first feature, that adjectives can occur before nouns. And after that I have given you 2 examples here. The first example is, she is a smart lady. Here the word, the adjective comes before noun lady. The second is, he is an intelligent boy. Here again we can see that the adjective intelligent, it is coming just before the noun boy. Now the second feature is given here. Adjectives can occur after the verb be. So what is be here? First of all, we should know what is be. So in our grammar, there are mainly 6 verbs that are known as the be form of verb. Okay. So these 6 verbs are is, am, are, was, were and been. Okay. So these 6 forms of verbs are known as the be form of verb. So here the feature is, adjective can occur after the verb be. So let's understand it with the help of the example. We will take the same examples again. So here we have written, she is a smart lady. Okay. So instead of that, we can also write here, the lady is smart. The lady is smart. So here we can see that the is the article. Lady is the noun. Is our verb. Is the be form of the verb. This is our be form of the verb. And after that, smart. Smart is the quality of the lady. smart here describes the lady. Isn't it? Here smart describes the lady. And in this sentence we can see that adjective smart comes just after the verb is. Okay? So this is our second feature. Adjectives can occur after the verb be. So here we can see the lady is smart. So here the adjective smart, it comes just after the verb is. So let us take the second example also. So the second example is, he is an intelligent boy. Okay. So this also we can write in this way. The boy is intelligent. The boy is intelligent. So here we can see the is the article, boy is our noun, is the be form of the verb, and after that intelligent is our adjective. So here again we can see that the adjective intelligent, it comes just after the be form of the verb. Okay. So this, I think, second feature of the adjective, it is clear to everybody. So the first feature of adjective is adjective can occur before nouns, and the second feature of adjective is adjectives can occur after the verb be, that is, am, are, was, were and being. So now the third feature of adjective. So the third feature of adjective is most adjectives can come after the adverb very. Okay. So this is our third feature of adjective, that most adjectives can come after the adverb very. So let's take the same example again to understand it. So I have given you the example, the lady is smart. So we can write it like this also. The lady is very smart. Okay. Here again the noun is lady. Be form of verb is. Smart is our adjective and very is our adverb, and here very, it comes just after, just before the adjective, or we can say adjective can come just after the adverb very. Okay. Let us take the second example here. So the second example I had given you, the boy is intelligent. So we can write it in this way, the boy is very intelligent. The boy is very intelligent. So here again we can see, the is our article, boy is our noun, is the be form of the verb, and intelligent is our adjective, and here very is our adverb, and here very comes just before the adjective intelligent, or we can say here the adjective intelligent, it comes just after the adverb. Okay. So I think it is clear to everybody that most adjectives can come after the adverb very. So let's start with our next fourth feature of adjective. So the fourth feature of adjective is adjectives can be used for comparison. Okay, so whenever we want to compare between two people or between more than two people, in that case we can use adjectives to compare the quality, quantity or the number of the nouns. Okay, nouns or pronouns. So here we can make the comparison with the help of the adjectives. for making comparison, we are having two forms of adjective, two degrees of adjective. One is the comparative degree and the second is the superlative degree. So when we make comparison between two people or two things, in that case we use the comparative degree of adjective. So when we make comparison, when we compare one person or one thing with many other things or a group of other things, then in that case we use the superlative degree of adjective. So I told you there are two types of comparative degrees to compare the adjectives. So first degree is called comparative degree, which is used, comparative degree used to compare between two person or two things, two person or two things. And the second is our superlative degree, and superlative degree is used to compare one person or thing with the other members of the group. With the other members of group. So this is our comparative degree. When we make comparison between two people, when we compare the qualities of two people, we use the comparative degree. And when we compare the quality of one person with more than one people, then it is called superlative degree. So here are some rules to use the comparative and superlative degree. So I am just going to explain those rules now. So here are some rules to use comparative and superlative degrees to compare two things or more than two things. So the first rule is, when we compare between two things in comparative degree with most of the adjectives, I am saying with not all, with most of the adjectives we use ER after the adjective. And in superlative degree, when we make comparison, we use EST. Like I am just giving you one example here. And the example is, suppose the adjective is old. I said adjective is old. Now the comparative degree of old is older. OLDER, older. And the superlative degree is oldest. OLDEST. Okay. So now the second rule is, as I told you, with most of the adjective we use ER and EST. But there are some adjectives with that we use more and most. In comparative degree we use more, and in superlative degree we use most for making the comparison. So we can take one example here, like the comparative degree of intelligent is more intelligent, and the superlative degree of intelligent is most intelligent. Okay. Now the third rule is that whenever we make the comparison between two people, and in most of the time, so most of the time we use than. Often we use than to make the comparison just after the adjective, the comparative degree adjective, we write than. Okay. The same way in superlative degree, just before the superlative adjective we write the. Okay, we write article the. So we can take one example here, like the same example we can take here of intelligent. Like I am saying Ram is an intelligent boy. So this is our positive degree of adjective. That means we are not making any comparison. We are simply telling that Ram is an intelligent boy. Now I just want to compare the intelligence of Ram with Shyam. Okay. Now I am saying Ram is more intelligent. I am using the comparative degree, as I am comparing the intelligence of two people here. That's why I am using comparative degree here. So I am saying Ram is more intelligent than Shyam. Okay. Now superlative degree. Now I just want to compare the intelligence of the Ram with the whole class. Okay. So now as I just want to compare the intelligence of Ram, so here I will use the superlative degree. So I will say Ram is the most intelligent boy of the class. So what I said, Ram is the article the. Ram is the most intelligent. Superlative degree of intelligent is most intelligent. So Ram is the most intelligent boy of the class. So here I compared the intelligence of Ram with the whole class. So I think this superlative, comparative and superlative degree, it is clear to everybody. So this is enough for today, and tomorrow I will explain about the types of adjectives. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.